What's up, GNCRC? Back once again with another video. This is a follow-up of the last video. So, as you guys see, I have a ton of rigs. If you hadn't seen the video, I'm going to put the link here right above. So just go ahead and click that video and you'll know what video I'm talking about. Hit that link. If you would, you guys, if you're not subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and comment and like this video for me. Now, guys, I'm going to really need your comments on this video. So, you guys see I have a ton of rigs, just too many. I think I counted up 9. It's just too many. So this is what I'm thinking about doing, guys. You let me know if you guys would be interested before I do it. So instead of me going ahead and just sticking these things on eBay or taking them to my local hobby shop, this is what I've been thinking about doing. I've been thinking about doing a raffle. The raffle is not one of those things where I'm trying to make money on it. I'm just trying to get some money back out of them so I can actually put it into something else or whatever the case might be. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have rigs like this one I need to go ahead and complete so I can get it done. I need to go ahead and do what I want to do on this one and also on this one. Now, the 3 that you have seen, well, 4. On this one, I think I might change this to something else. I may even do something with it. I may even possibly do a raffle with this one. But I'm trying to get down to maybe 3 to 4 rigs. I don't want any more than that because it's just too many. It takes away from my time to actually work on them and do other things to them and actually put the parts on them and get them where they need to be. So this is what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about a raffle. The raffle would be probably spots for like $5. And it would be no more than so many tickets, just enough to actually make some money back out of these, to get some money back out of them, and also cover shipping. So it won't be a ton. I'll only do so many tickets. So this is what I have that I'm probably gonna get rid of. You guys let me know what you think. Now, first up is the RC 4-wheel drive. I just don't Trail Finder 2. I just don't have much use for it. It's just too small for my applications. It's a great scale vehicle. Make sure you check the groups that I have set up in the links below. But the guys are doing a whole lot with these. It's just, for me right now, it's just not the perfect setup. Let's just say it like that. So, but when I do sell this one, I will be taking the Lizard Pro out and SR, I think, yeah, 215 in there. And I'm going to put the stock electronics back in it. So it'll be basically stock when you get it, other than the shocks. Now, I am going to leave the shocks. I'm going to give you the shocks that it came with. If I can find these particular ones, give you a whole lot more flex and a lot more, because out of the box, you don't get that much at all. But these are a whole lot better. But I'm thinking about that, guys, and I will be putting the interior back into the inside also. Had to take it out just because of the receiver. But I'm thinking about this one. You guys let me know if you guys be interested. And then I also know the guys that did say that they may want to purchase this from me before I did anything. So when you see this video, hit me up. You know who you are. This particular one, it has the Lizard Pro in it also. I will be taking this out, and more than likely, I'm going to take the system out of my nephew's, this particular one, stock system. This is the old system. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to probably give him the system out of my Gladiator. So he'll have something a little bit smoother. So this particular one will pretty much be ready to run. And if you notice, it's not any scratches and scars or anything. This thing is practically brand new. I barely ran it. It also has that Mofo torque beast in there. So it has that in there also. But like I said, this will be coming out and it'll be going back stock for the most part. I'm going to leave the wheel weights on it because they don't really serve any purpose for me. I got too many extra parts now. I actually got, I'm sure, another set of wheel weights somewhere. So I'm just going to leave those on there. So that's another rig I'm thinking about. This particular one, if you saw the video, which I put right above, it was only driven on my desk. Now, I'm thinking about taking it out possibly tomorrow, but if I do, I will update you on that. But this particular one is brand new condition. You don't see any scratches and scars. It only been powered on at one time and driven on a disc. Because when I did take it out, I actually forgot the radio. So, I'm thinking about this one also. And as you guys know, I still have this particular one. I hadn't decided what I'm gonna do. This may be just a straight up giveaway, and I may just raffle it off. But I'm thinking, guys, let me know if you're interested. $5 spots. It'll only be a certain amount, of tickets, which I will let you guys see that, so you'll know that this is how much came in for this particular vehicle. I'll probably do one a week. I don't think I can run them all at the same time. Maybe I can. I don't know. You guys tell me. But I'm really thinking seriously about it, guys, because I don't know. I just got too many. I can't focus on all this stuff. It's just too many projects. I mean, I really like the Deadbolt, but again, like I say, for the most part, this is what I drive. And for one, it's already brushless and everything, so I really like it. And then I drive my dragger. And you guys know I do get a lot of footage, so I don't have as much time to drive. But I really want to put more focus on this because I got a few more things I want to do this. Not a lot, but just a few more things. And then I got to focus on this particular one. I don't have a lot more I'm going to do to this, but I do have enough to the point where I can put that money into this. And I also have this particular one. I got a few things I want to do this. Not a lot. It's not going to be over the top. A lot of people said you can't make this one crawl like the other ones, but you know, I'm one of those people. I'm up for the challenge. So that's what I'm thinking about, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. If you guys will be interested in one of these rigs, like I say, it's probably gonna be 4 different ones. If you're really interested, and like I say, I might take it out tomorrow, and I probably won't. You know what? I'm not gonna take it tomorrow because I want to see what you guys say in the comments. Because if you guys are interested, we will be putting all these up for auction, and like us, not auction, but for a raffle. And again, like I said, we're gonna probably do $5 spots, and it's not one of those things where we're gonna do 1,000,000 spots. We're only gonna do so many spots, so you will know. And like I say, I'll show you guys a list of. Well, I'll just show you guys the amount, so you'll know. You know, it's not one of those things where I'm trying to make money. I'm just trying to get some of the money back out of my rigs. Again, like I say, I could take it to the hobby shop, but if you guys are interested, I'll let you guys get in on them. Also, this particular one, I still got the box. Let me see, can I get this thing open? Radio's still inside, and I got the paperwork. And also, this part over there just slides around this particular box. Like I say, guys, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you let me know what you think, because pretty soon I'm going to make a decision on these. Because again, like I say, too many rigs. That is the problem. There's just too many rigs, guys. All right. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.